Hi, my name's Carl from the Suffolk Latch company, and I wanted to give you a quick introduction to our new Tupai range of lever-on rose handles. We've been working with this company now for the last year on finalising designs, how we're going to offer out, and this particular range here is a beautiful range. It's made from die-cast zinc. It's got a good weight to it. It's got some really lovely sort of modern sort of European designs. I think it's going to fit in beautifully with our entire range. Now they come in either round roses or square roses. And to substitute the range and to actually accessorize it, we've got either round or square bathroom turn releases, and likewise with escutcheons in both Euro profile and sort of that British standard key size. Without further ado, I'll move along the line here. So this one here, the Tupai, is sort of like slightly brushed, sort of satiny chrome effect. And what you will notice straight away is that the profile is a very, very thin 5mm profile. There's hardly anyone out there who makes a profile that thin. They're usually between 10 and 12mm. And this is also Tupai's unique attention to detail and creating a thick system through the door which allows you to have such a thin profile. In the hand there's a really great weight, and when you turn the handle itself you can feel there's hardly any backlash at all. It springs back beautifully, and it's generally a really good quality item. As you go through this you've got things like our pearl black, we've got these sort of Titan grey colours, generally a really beautiful high quality range of handles. So each component part of this is individually die cast, then machined, then polished. They use this, they've invested very heavily in computerized polishing and grinding machines to get a really exacting finish. So every handle's got the same striations going in the same direction. They're clean, they're tidy. Internally here, the tolerances between the spring and the collar and the little nylon washer in there actually makes it for a very, very pleasing feel. There's no noise, there's no graunching, it's smooth, there's a strong spring on there. They go back to exactly 90 degrees, sort of squares of the plates. Absolutely gorgeous. Throughout the entire process, very exacting standards for quality control. And I think, talking to the manufacturer, there's probably about 12 different stages where they can actually be rejected and set back for recycling. So what actually arrives back at you is something which is absolutely top notch. We've been selling handles for years. I haven't come across anything within this price range with this quality. Absolutely superb. Likewise, you've got the matching, again, square escutcheons here for the bathroom turn release. Again, you saw that lovely sort of thin 5mm profile. Likewise, you've got the bathroom turn release itself. It's a solid construction. It's got a grub screw on one side, the release the other side. All in all, a really lovely, pleasing collection of products. Yeah, we're pleased to say after a year of hard work and designing that the handles now are available on our website. So please hop along, have a look, and see if you like them. Thanks for watching. Cheers.